Got some new additions to the Gunsmoke family. I want to show you guys what I got here today. This is the Canik Tp9sf 9mm 18 shot mag. Got a nice trigger. The gun is unloaded. It's got a nice trigger on it, guys. Holds 18 rounds. Some people think the color is a little offset, but I like it. I took it to the range yesterday and it shot very well. Adjustable sights. I'm probably going to change these out for some dots. But out of the box, she shot like a dream. Came with two 18 round mags. You put one in the pipe, that's 19. That's a lot of firepower for a handgun. It's full size, it's not a compact. This black bump stop on the back here you can change out for another one. They got two. So this feels good in my hand because I got big paws. And this is the new addition. I traded my SD9VE off for this one. This is a full-sized 9mm 18 rounder. Shoots good. Got a great trigger. Got a cold steel forged barrel. So it's supposed to give it a little extra 60,000 round lifespan. That's a lot of shooting there, boys. It's got the Glock-like trigger. Magazine release is here. Slide release there. No safety. It will fire with the magazine out. They used to have decockers up here, but a lot of people complained about that. They took them off. And it's a very good gun. It was reasonably priced. I paid like $280 for it. Slightly used. Took it apart, looked at it inside. Wasn't dirty, so I wiped it down, cleaned it up a little bit. But this is one of the new additions there, boys, to the Gunsmoke family. Good shooting. I also picked up this baby today. Stainless steel. Smith and Wesson. Unloaded. 357 Magnum. 38 Special. Got rid of my Windicator. I like this way better. It's got some nice Hogue grips on it. It fits my hand. I got paws, fellas. It's got the spur hammer. This is old school. The trigger pull is pretty good. I shot it already one time. Double action. Crisp. Single action. Even crisper. Shoots good. Like the gun. It's the model 65-2, which is the old school Smith and Wessons. It has the recessed chambers in the barrel. I don't know if you can see that, but they used to make these with the recessed chambers. It's a 4-inch barrel, heavy barrel. They don't make these like this anymore. I picked it up for a steal. Bought it from a good friend of mine. He has so many guns he don't know what to do with himself. All the guns. Got it from him for $350. This gun is going for $4 and change, $500 and change on Gunbroker. It's the new addition to the Gunsmoke family. Check it out there, boys. Nice 357 Magnum, and it shoots 38 specials. Good shoot.